Hello friends, today we are going to see what are Bollinger Bands in the technical analysis of stocks. So moving ahead, talking about Bollinger Bands. Let's see what are Bollinger Bands first. It was developed by a famous technical trader, Mr. John Bollinger, and the indicator is named after him. So Bollinger Bands is a band plotted टू स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशंस अवे फ्रॉम अ सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज. बॉलिंगर बैंड्स है वो बैंड है जो कि दो स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशंस अवे प्लॉट होते हैं सिंपल मूविंग एवरेजेस से. जनरली सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज इज प्लॉटेड और 20-day सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज एंड two bands, the upper band and the lower bands are plotted. The bands automatically widen when volatility increases and narrow when volatility decreases. This dynamic nature of Bollinger Bands also mean that they can be used on different securities with the standard settings. Band automatically widen और narrow होते हैं जब जैसे जैसे स्टॉक की volatility change होती है. Let's see Bollinger Bands on a chart. So we'll be seeing them later. Bollinger Bands generally consist of a middle band with two outer bands. एक middle band है which is simple moving average with two outer bands it is used. Middle band is a 20-day simple moving average that is plotted on the chart. A simple moving average is used because it's also used in the standard deviations formula, and the look back period for the standard deviation is the same as the simple moving average. Outer band are generally set to standard deviation above and below. For the upper band it is 2 standard deviation above, and for the lower band it is 2 standard deviations below the middle band. Seeing the calculations used, middle band is equal to 20-day simple moving average, upper band is equal to 20-day simple moving average plus 20-day standard deviation of price into 2, and lower band is equal to 20-day SMA minus 20-day standard deviation of price into 2. See, these are the Bollinger Bands on the chart. The green line that we see here, this is the upper band which is 2 standard deviation above the simple moving average, and these are the bands which are below the these are the lower band, which is 2 standard deviations below the simple moving average. Now what traders do are whenever the prices leave this lower band, affinity lose करते हैं, यहाँ पे buy कर लेते हैं, and whenever the stock moves up, then whenever these turn back from the upper band and lose affinity from the upper band, here a sell signal is generated. Generally these are good during the trending markets. Consolidated markets में ये whipsaws लाते हैं और गलत signals देते हैं. They are basically used for this can be used for short strategies also. शॉर्ट करने के लिए भी यूज किया जा सकता है. एट दिस लेवल्स दिस इज लीविंग द अपर लीविंग द एफिनिटी फ्रॉम द अपर चार्ट. यहाँ से शॉर्ट हुआ एंड सी इट इज स्टिल इन एफिनिटी विद द लोअर चार्ट. सो हियर अ सेल सिग्नल इज जनरली here the stock is in downtrend till date. Moving ahead, Bollinger Bands can be used with other indicators as well. Bollinger Bands do generate good buy and sell signals, but generally they are used with other indicators to generate reliable signals. As we shown chart, it is being used with stochastics to generate signals. Bollinger Bands with stochastic on the charts. See, if you see, considering crossover signals, यहाँ पे over आया है और यहाँ पे oversold आया है. At this level, Bollinger Bands ने भी affinity lose किया है. At this point a buy signal can be generated and stock sees an uptrend. Then at this level you see here there is a signal from the stochastics, and the Bollinger Band ने भी Bollinger Band से lose की है. Here it's a sell signal which is generated from stochastics as well as the Bollinger Bands. Again seeing levels, the stock downtrend, it left the affinity lower band. यहाँ पे clock की वजह से buy signal है. Here Bollinger also gives buy signal, stock witnesses. So this Bollinger Bands can be with other indicators. An example of stochastic was given. I hope I've made myself very clear. If you have any doubts, you can log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.